Statistical tool of choice. I have chosen the paired samples t-test. This test compares two means that are from the same individual, object, or related units. The test determines whether there is statistical evidence that the mean difference between paired observations on a particular outcome is significantly different from zero. In my research, I will attempt to answer the following question. To what extent do stakeholders favor the inclusion of children with different types of disabilities into regular classrooms? I found two studies where the researchers use the t-test to determine the attitudes of parents and other stakeholders towards an all-inclusive classroom. While the t-test will be good for my study, there are some points to note. Firstly, if the data collected violate the assumption of the t-test, then the output is unreliable. Secondly, extremely unbalanced designs increase the possibility that violating any of the requirements or assumptions will threaten the validity. Thirdly, there are two limitations of a t-test. They are only one factor can be used at a time, and only two levels can be used at a time. Despite these, I would still use the t-test.